Hi, my dear friends. I have an amazing business opportunity of plug and play e-commerce export startup business of products that can be sold every single day. And this is a business that I'm bringing because I myself have been doing this business for quite long, and I feel that you can also get started with this. But before I start, I'll be showing you some statistics and facts that how much revenue you can make. Easily, you can make about 50 to 60 lakhs a month in this, in terms of profit I'm talking about. Now, let's understand how does this work. So if it is Amazon.com, since we're seeing in India, so we can actually export a lot of these mosquito nets. I will be giving you the supplier's contact who can provide you these products, and these are priced very less, as you can see, just about 270 rupees for piece, and this is 300 per square foot, that's all. So here in India, the product prices are quite less, but if you go to Amazon.com and you search about the same product, you can see that 1,000 people bought the last month, and this is a $54 product. 1,000 sales, $54,000. That means somebody made about 40 lakh rupees in this, only in 1 month. That is a kind of sale for one single product. And this is $23, 5,000 sales the last month. $100,000 plus sales. That means 80 lakh rupees worth of sales. I'm just trying to tell you one thing, that these products will always have demand. Mosquitoes will always be there. People may try to protect themselves, their family, so they require some kind of thing like this. Even not for this also, even for strollers for babies, you can see 3,000 sales, and it's a $8, $7.99, $8 product for the same product, mosquito nets. So I'll be teaching in this program how you can get started with an e-commerce business where your investment is just an e-commerce store in digital marketing, so you can get ongoing sales. It's a very simple business model. You are building an e-commerce store, you are listing the products which I'll be giving you, and I'll also be guiding you how to find more suppliers. And we can just list all these unbranded products into the e-commerce store. And I focus mainly into e-commerce based export business. This will be a semi-automated e-commerce business. And here I'll be giving you suppliers contact. I'll be assisting with the pricing. I'll also giving you the e-commerce store builder, digital marketing mentorship, the lead generation support, the database of buyers and the network of buyers. And I'll also be giving you a comprehensive e-commerce course with interactive live training and group calls. So this entire training support that I'm giving you, this will help you to build a highly successful e-commerce business from scratch. You can also have this design of e-commerce store, the e-commerce store builder also I'll be giving you. So everything is a plug and play ready-made business model where you can name your store, add the products and start selling. Now these products can be sold on Amazon. They can also be sold on Etsy.com. You can see in Etsy.com, this is like a little premium, like 11,000 rupees, 14,000 rupees for the similar kind of product. And this is Rakuten.com, Japan's website. Here also you can see these products are listed. So this is a global product. It's not like you're just selling locally in India and sourcing from India. You're selling it globally because you can make more profits internationally. So I want you to get started with a business opportunity like this, because here you are getting everything as a plug and play model, a store plus mentorship plus the database of buyers, so that you can start making sales directly by doing digital marketing and make profits. Now let us explore what you're going to get from me. The first thing first, I'll be giving you the store. This is my store. This is my lifetime of sales. Let me show you my analytics. This is my 30 days of sales, and this is my lifetime of sales, as you can see. So I didn't refresh. I've refreshed so that I can show you that this is live, not a screenshot. And these are different themes which are there. You can choose your own theme and make the website live. And you can add your own domain name. This is my domain name. You can have your own www.name.com. You can add your staff members in this. You can directly collect payment from customers to your bank account. And we will be focusing on B2B sales, B2B sales, B2G sales, wholesale. Now let's explore the course and the mentorship. So this is going to give you 100% guarantee in getting sales, because with this mastery of digital marketing, you will get ongoing leads that you can close and start making sales. The profit margin is high. I already shown you that here these products are costing this less amount of money, and you can actually sell them at $30, $40. You can make good profits in this. So I'm giving you the e-commerce store building development training, the digital marketing training, and the global trade and export import training, everything from top companies like Amazon and Alibaba and other brands which are associated with IAC. You're also going to get 17 certifications which are government approved certifications. And this program comes with video lectures plus practical training with lifetime of access, update and support from mentors at IIC. So if you're a student, you're looking for a job, you can join the Certified E-commerce Professional program and get good success with this. If you are a working professional, you can start as a part-time business and later on you can go full-time. Same way, if you are Looking to change your career, this certified e-commerce professional can be that one best program you should enroll in. So this can be the safe investment because you're also getting an e-commerce store builder, you're getting the marketing support, you're getting the digital marketing tools, you're getting the e-commerce store builder and ongoing support from my team. So this entire ready-made plug and play business opportunity, if you have to start by yourself from scratch where you have to sell these products, will easily cost a few lakh rupees. Even if you have to sell on Amazon.com, you have to source products. But the strategies that I'm giving you here, you are not holding any inventory. This is a pure wholesale dropshipping business where you're selling products in bulk quantity, minimum MOQ of 1,000 to 2,000 pieces and making good profits. Month on month, you can make easily 8 to 10 lakh rupees of profit in the minimum case. People are making more. This is how you can actually start your business immediately with the skills of entrepreneurship, e-commerce, digital marketing, everything as an all-in-one program with 17 certificates bundle. You can see this first module to 17 module. This is like a complete program that is required to build a successful business today. This is an entrepreneurship training. A CEO generally enrolls into a program so that he can become the top leader. So this mentorship program is completely available for you with the plug and play e-commerce store builder so that you can have a ready-made export business. And I'm also giving you complimentary buyers and suppliers data so that you can get started with this business immediately. So now, if you have to enroll into this plug and play business, I will recommend this because this is actually the value added solution. And here, if you have a credit card, you can go for an EMI option, which will come less than 5,000 rupees a month. So in just less than 5,000 rupees a month, you can get started with an e-commerce business immediately. So this can be life-changing event for you because with the skills of e-commerce, digital marketing, leadership, and entrepreneurship, you will be able to make the amount of money and the financial freedom you always wanted. So I want you to be in my program. So join IIC and let's get started with the wonderful journey together.